So hello friends, we have already started while loop, and today I am gonna show about nested while loop. I think you have already understood what is nested while loop. While loop inside another while loop, as simple as that. While loop inside another while loop, as we have done for loop, nested for loop inside another for loop. So similarly, while loop inside another while loop is known as nested while loop. Okay, this in this lesson we gonna see about magic number. The program name is magic number. What is a magic number? 55 is a magic number, is an example of a magic number. How can you say that 55 is a magic number? 55 is a magic number because if you add 5 plus 5 it will give you 10. Then again if you add 1 plus 0 it will give you 1. So the concept is that a number, if you add the individual digits of it, then ultimately it will give you a digit, a single digit between between 0 to 9. Okay, between 0 to 9. So that's the thing actually, that this is the concept, that for example there is a number. One example I already gave you, that is 55. If you just add the individual digits, 5 plus 5 is 10, and then individual digits of this 10 is 1 and 0. Okay, 5 and 5 individual digits of 55, if you add them you will get 10. Then again the individual digits of 10, 1 and 0, if you add them you will get 1 individually. That is, this 1 is always 1 is between 0 to 9, obviously. That's why it is a magic number. Okay, now let's see the program. I have already written the program here. While n is greater than 9, for example, let us consider that n equals to 55. Let's say that the user has entered 55 here. Okay, the user has entered 55 here. Acha, let's see now. Oh, sorry. Here, what I have told you is it's not 0 to 9. While doing the program, it will be writing less than 9. But now a number will come, a single digit will come. If that single digit is 1, if that single digit is 1, then we can tell that it is a magic number. Otherwise, it is not a magic number. Okay, we will add it and we will get 1. Otherwise, obviously, it will be less than 9 only, or less than equals to 9 only. So not that. While writing the program, we will just give the condition it should be less than 9. Now that less than 9 should be 1. Should be 1. Here it's 1, so that's why it's okay. It is always should be 1. It is less than, obviously it is less than 9 only, so that is the condition while writing. Okay. Now see. Now maybe let's consider that the user has entered n equals to 55. We have to check whether it is a magic number or not. So here an outer while loop is declared, that is n while n is greater than 9. While n is greater than 9. 55 is greater than 9, obviously. If it is not greater than 9, then directly we can check. It will not enter the loop only, it will directly check whether n equal 1 or not. If it is equal 1, it is a magic number. Done. No need. But if it is a two-digit number, greater than 9 means n is a two-digit number. More than a single digit is present in n. Okay. It will enter. Then if it obviously it will, the condition it will not satisfy it. N is greater than, while n is greater than 9, so obviously n is greater than 9, it will enter the loop. Now while n not equals to 0, okay, while n not equals to 0, now it will enter. First, I have already told you how to find the sum of the digits of a number entered by the user. The same thing is given here. You can see this inner while loop is the same thing, just we will find the sum of the digits of this 55, that will come as 10. So s will be equals to, let me rub this thing a little bit. Okay, so now let's see. S finally s will be equals to, for the first time s will be equals to 10. Sum of 55, how much? Means 55 means is the number, so sum of the individual digits is 5 plus 5, 10. So s will be equals to 10 for the first time. Now so the inner loop is to work after the inner loop executes first time, s will be equals to 10. After the inner for loop ends, here you can see n equals to s. N equals to s. That means s value is 10. So n equals to 10 again. N equals to 10 again. Now 10 is greater than 9. Again it will satisfy. It will again go inside. Again sum of 10 means the digits of 10. That means 1 plus 0 it will find. 1 plus 0 means 1 plus 0. I think you got it. 1 plus 0 is 1. So again s will get, s is equals to, or rather you can say n is equals to s equals to 1. 1 is not greater than 9. It will not continue. It will get out of the loop. And now the condition is, if n equal 1, then magic number, jadoo ka khel, magic number. Okay, so it is very a simple concept. Just two while loops you need to use. You can do the program using do while also, but I'm showing it with while loop. This is also okay. You can do in this way also. It is not told that you have to use do while loop or while loop. Okay, just have to write the program magic number. See, the first step is, just understand. The first step is, if the number is given, for example 55, you need to break this into individual digits and you have to add them. That means 5 plus 5 you need to find. Okay, 5 plus 5 you need to find. This program is already present in this playlist, while loop playlist. You will find it, that sum of individual digits of a number. You need to find that. Acha. After finding it, you got 10. Again, the sum of individual digits of this number I have to find. So what I will do, this value, s value, is the sum of this one. So it is stored in s, obviously. Now n already became 0 this time. So again n must be s, n must be the value of s, so that this addition of the individual digits should continue. So this step is very important, that you need to know. That n equals to s. Don't write s equals to n. That will be s equals to 0. Don't do that. N value should be assigned with s. So s value is 10. 10 will be assigned to n. Now next time n will not be equals to 0. So again sum of the individual digits will be found. Okay, and like this it will continue till n becomes less than, while n is greater than. So finally n will be less than 9 only. So this time it will exit the loop. It will exit the while loop and it will see whether n is equal 1 or not. If it is, then it is a magic number. Otherwise it is not a magic number. You can see the whole program here. This is the main code or the main part. Otherwise, or the s part or all the other things, you can just write it. I hope that. Okay, if you have any problem in writing the program still, then you can just comment in the comment section and tell me if you have any query in understanding this particular code. Okay, just write this code, compile this, and check whether the correct answer is coming or not. 55 is a magic number. Just give it and give it a try. and if you have any problem you can just approach me. Okay, so till then, stay safe. Bye bye, thank you.